Guys, eto na naman tayo. Another chapter in the never-ending Barreto family saga. Matapos ang ilang taon ng katahimikan, the Barreto matriarch herself, Inday Barreto, has finally spoken up about her strained relationship with her daughter, Marjorie Barreto. At grabe, hindi lang basta issue to ng tampuhan, this is deep, emotional, and full of family pain and love. So sit back, kasi pag-uusapan natin ang buong kwento, kasama na ang mga hidden details, netizen reactions, at mga possible dahilan kung bakit tila hindi pa rin nagkakasundo ang isa sa pinakasikat na showbiz family sa Pilipinas, the confession that broke silence. In an interview with OG Diaz, Inday Barreto bravely admitted, "We don't get along fine." Pero kahit daw may lamat ang relasyon nila, she made it clear she still loves her daughter Marjorie. Ayon kay Inday, Marjorie is very strong-willed, sometimes lampas sa normal. Grabe, di ba? Parang sinasabi niyang parehong matigas ang ulo nilang mag-ina, parehong matapang, parehong matatag, at dito na nagsimula ang emosyonal niyang mga pahayag. She said, "Ako mahal ko sila pero parang may rejection ako nararamdaman sa kanya, parang hindi ako enough." Ang sakit pakinggan, imagine being a mother and feeling rejected by your own child, the pattern of pain. Inday even admitted, "Pareho kaming made from the same pattern." Ibig sabihin, baka nga masyado silang magkahawig sa ugali, kaya nagbabanggaan, alam mo yung kapag parehong alpha personality, parehong gusto laging tama? Ayun. Clash talaga, at dito na pumasok ang isang kwento na tila maliit lang pero may bigat sa loob. During the wedding of her granddaughter Claudia Barreto, Inday recalled something that left her heartbroken. She said, "Nagsisiksikan sila sa dalawang kotse na maliit, may van ako, brand new, may aircon at driver, pero ayaw nila sumakay sa akin, kasi daw binigay ni Gretchen sa akin." Grabe, isang simpleng van, pero may malalim na simbolo. Rejection, division, at pride. Netizens reacted quickly online. Ang lungkot lang, kahit nanay mo, di mo ma-invite o may sama. Sana magkaayos na sila. The Barreto family drama never ends. Pero kita mo pa rin yung love kahit may pain. Parang cycle na to, from Gretchen versus Marjorie to Claudine versus everyone. Kailan kaya matatapos? The history behind the feud. For those who might not know, the Barreto family's conflicts go way back. We've seen it play out in public from Gretchen and Marjorie's famous feud in the early 2000s. To Claudine's emotional posts about her sisters, and even their father's wake na naging viral dahil sa confrontation. Their family has always been in the spotlight, talented, beautiful, but also, undeniably complicated, and now, hearing Inday herself open up adds a whole new layer to the story. Many netizens commented that Inday's words sounded honest but heartbreaking. Iba yung pain ng isang nanay na nararamdaman niyang hindi na siya sapat. It takes courage for a mother to admit her mistakes and her pain on public. Speculation and emotional reflection. Now the big question is, what really happened between Marjorie and Inday? Is it just personality clash? Or mas malalim pa, unresolved issues from the past? Some fans believe na baka may involvement pa rin si Gretchen sa tension. Remember, Gretchen and Marjorie haven't been on good terms for years, and Inday, known for taking sides, has often defended one daughter over another in the past. So maybe, this rejection Inday feels, could be Marjorie's way of protecting her peace, a boundary from old wounds. Pero sa kabilang banda, nakakalungkot din isipin, kasi habang tumatanda sila, lalo pang lumalalim yung mga hindi na pag-uusapan, deeper meaning, family, pride, and love. Inday ended her interview with a very powerful line. "This family, mag-away-away kayo but no one can beat the love that is in this family." And that's true. Kasi minsan, only love can hurt you that deeply. This quote resonated with many online. Kaya may away kasi may pagmamahal. Kung wala kang pake, di ka masasaktan. Sana bago pa mahuli ang lahat, they learn to forgive. Sayang kung puro pride. And honestly, this story reminds us of a very Filipino truth. Kahit gaano pa kagulo ang pamilya, blood will always be blood. Minsan, hindi mo kailangan ng apology. Minsan, kailangan mo lang ng yakap at konting pangunawa. Call to action reflection. So what do you think, guys? Tama ba si Inday Barreto sa pagiging honest niya about her feelings? O mas dapat bang private na lang sana ito? Comment your thoughts below. Do you think may chance pa bang magkaayos sina Marjorie at Inday? And if you were in Marjorie's shoes, would you reach out to your mom despite the pain? Kung gusto niyong lagi updated sa mga ganitong real-life celebrity stories, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button para lagi kayong una sa mga eksklusibong showbiz updates. Because in the world of Philippine showbiz, every story has two sides and one family's drama is everyone's lesson.